So here we're launching the Unreal Game Engine editor. So here we're going to launch the Game Engine editor for Unreal, and looks like it popped me into an old game. No worries. We're going to have to start a new one. New project. Boom. Okay. I'm going to want you to start with a blank project, and that's a great place to start. We have these things that'll help us get going quicker, like virtual reality, super cool, first person. We'll probably be building one, but we're going to start with a blank one because I want you to really get to know what's going on. And what's going to be important is saving it in a good location where you know where it's at so you can back it up. File management is important. It sounds boring. Just saying it makes your tongue a little dry. I get that. But file management is super important. I can't tell you how many students lose their work because they don't understand file management. So you need to know where to put your files. So right here, you're not going to want to put it on your desktop, especially at the school, because the desktop is synced to the network and it can bog down things and slow them down if the network's ever slow. You're going to want to go to the local drive. So just go ahead and click on this PC, go to your local disk. You're going to want to create a folder called Game Design. I've got one right here. This is a Unity game, so I'm going to go ahead and create one for Unreal, and I'll call it Unreal Game, because this game is going to be Unreal. We'll come up with a cooler title, but right now it's going to be the Unreal Game. And believe it or not, I have a really cool game we're building this semester. You can follow along with me or build your own. I highly recommend you build your own, but mine's pretty cool, so I wouldn't be surprised if you copied me on everything. But you'll have to pay me royalties, obviously. So what are we going to name it? Okay, I'll just go ahead and give you the sneak peek title. It's going to be Aliens in the Attic. Okay, and just so you know, project names cannot contain a space. We get around that in the 3D world and in the gaming world by hitting an underscore. Aliens in the Attic. Yep, that's the word. I know it's an old movie. Some of you may have seen it. It wasn't great. Doesn't matter. Okay, so there we go. Create project. And give it a chance to spin its wheels up. Initializing. Wait for it. Bam. Look at that. And what's all this, Jazz? That's just a cool scene they throw in there. No big deal. They probably will change it. You may download a different version and see something different than this. Don't freak out, kids. It's okay. All right, so navigation. How do you get around your scene? Those of you coming from Maya or Unity, it freaked me out a little bit. I'm not going to lie. I did not like their interface. But go ahead and click your mouse button. You'll see you can zoom around here. Also, they were gamer friendly. Look, if I hit the AWSD keys and then click, I can zoom in and out. So I'm going W here, I'm going S for backwards, left and right, you know. You get the picture if you were a gamer at all and you use AWSD for anything. That's how you can navigate around, kind of like you're in a game. So I'm pointing my mouse around and just running around. Now, I don't like this because I'm not a super great gamer. In fact, when it comes to first-person shooters, you would all probably be able to beat me. That's okay, though, because I'd kick your tail in StarCraft. And if you don't know what StarCraft is, you can leave my game class. I don't care about you as a person or as a gamer, because StarCraft is the greatest thing to come to games in a long time, especially StarCraft 2. Well, you'll probably hear more about my StarCraft love throughout the year. Anyway, okay, so that's how you navigate around here. And in the next one, we're going to go kind of through here, build some stuff out. It's going to be fun. I'll see you then.